Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about civil car coverage insurance. We'll find out this is just legit or a scam. So civil car coverage insurance is a service that connects users with the various kinds of auto insurance provider but does not offer insurance directly, right? So that's why there's a lot of red flags that there's a lot of concern about this. The site act as a lead generator, which means it share your data with other companies. Many users report receiving numerous unsolicited calls and emails after using this website. And same thing, I found some of the website which says the same thing, right? This is not a one or two, there's a lot of them. And you can see all these websites says the same thing. Right, so they are concerned about the legitimacy of the site customer reviews, which some suggested they may be fake. The website lack essential information such as about us, no transparency, nothing. So it's important to be cautious while using such platform and do the thoroughly research an insurance provider before commuting. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.